Hello, I am Mahbubul Alon. 10 plus years of professional experience in business reporting, performance analysis, and operational monitoring. I specialized in Power BI dashboard, advanced Excel reporting, KPI dashboard, complex Excel reports, SQL, another BI tools, data entry, MS Word documentation skills, PowerPoint presentation skills, and business analytics solutions. I help business organize data, track performance, and create clear, interactive, and professional reports for better decision making. I am committed to providing accurate work, fast communication, and timely delivered. Now, I am showing you some work portfolio for your better understanding. It's a Power BI dashboard, financial complaint management dashboard, and another dashboard is showing Uber trip analysis dashboard. Uh, and this is a an Excel sales dashboard works sample status here. If you know more about myself, please visit my profile to know more about my service and portfolio. Please feel free to contact me before placing your order. Thank you.